Hey, what's going on? This is Esteban here with Atticare. As you can see here, we're doing this beautiful roof. We just replaced the plywood, which is great. You want to have a rock solid foundation. As you can see, we have our beautiful Owens Corning products. This color is actually Onyx Black, my personal favorite, very popular color. What we do is a full, complete roofing system. It's very important to know that you need a roofing system in order for the roof to properly execute what it's supposed to do, with keeping water out, making sure that you have proper ventilation. Like I said before, we're Owens Corning preferred contractors, so you actually get a real warranty, and that's what we do. We use Owens Corning products. They have a patented short nail technology that really allows us to nail the shingle in so it doesn't fly off. We offer exceptional financing plans. One of them is 0% interest, no money out of pocket. You can completely get your roof done and you have a whole year to pay it off. We also have different plans that we can discuss. First thing that we got to do is we got to come out, we got to inspect your home, make sure that we can do the work, and if we can, you will be very happy with our service from the beginning to the very end.
We used Atticare for our roofing and it was amazing. They also got us pizza